Today, in order to succeed, you have to be adaptive, innovative, and committed. And I'm thrilled to announce this brand new partnership between Dusit Thani College and Dusit International, where we designed a great entrepreneurship course for all our students. And here at Dusit Thani, our students will have the opportunity to bring to life their own concept. So stay tuned at Dusit Thani.
And we're done with our presentation. We're so happy with the feedback and everything. There will be some problem in the product research and the knowledge that we didn't do, but all the judges were happy with our concept, and we're so glad and we were able to answer that question, and thank God, and we're so thankful for all the comments. And I want to thank all my friends working together to create this concept, and thank all the judges, thank you all our friends, and I'm so happy about the feedback. Thank you.
So for today, our project is done. We're really excited and confident.
This program is a part of restaurant business management. This program I think is very good for the student because of they can gain the real experience a part of inside the classroom. So the real experience gonna tell them that if they are the real entrepreneur, what they're gonna do, how they're gonna achieve. But in terms of the hotel, I think at least we can get the new idea from the fresh eye, from the new graduate. This is the one that the hotel need because of if the hotel themselves, they work for a long time, they don't know what they expect or what is the real things, what is the new thing. The new idea gonna come from them. This is our expectation from Dusit Suite.